Democratize democracy.
Democracy for you and me.
Democracy machine you draw le free. Keep a connect Gambia free.
Gambian, yes, you and me.
Sani kata mwelunyu. Lunyu wafi. Sani kata mwelunyu. Lunyu wafi. Sani kata mwelunyu.
The commission, like we say, is a progressive institution. So it will always try to respond to the issues within the environment. So we know COVID-19 is here in the Gambia. It's a pandemic. It came to the Gambia. And we think it may stay a little bit longer. And of course, elections are is constitutionally sanctioned. So elections must be conducted with or without COVID. So we know COVID, we have to stay with COVID. So what we can do is to manage COVID. So COVID must not stop our economic activities or also our educational activities. In the same way, it cannot stop elections. So for which reason the Commission have taken measures during the voter registration to make sure that the staff it employs are provided with COVID materials, including the face masks, and also hand sanitizer at all times during the process, so that because they are dealing with a lot of people. The same also advice is also sent to the polling staff, like on election day, when the teams are deployed. They are of course deployed with the relevant COVID preventive materials, like hand sanitizer, the face mask, and even these hand gloves, just to make sure that the Commission will also do what is possible to make sure that it will try to stem the spread of COVID-19. And not only that, it also advised voters to come to the polling station with their mask, so that, of course, if it were possible, I'm sure the Commission would have given a free mask to every voter. But for the budget, we cannot. So we advised the public to come and vote with their mask. And also, when they come to the polling station, let them be cooperate with the teams, and then to apply hand sanitizers. So I think the Commission, generally speaking, have taken note of the presence of COVID-19 and also advised people to try to comply with the guidelines provided. However, one thing must be made clear, that nobody should be denied of voting or being registered because of the person didn't comply with these COVID-19 protocols. Of course, we know voting is a constitutional right. With or without COVID-19, people have the right to vote. So based on that fact, the Commission can only give advice, like a word of caution to people, to voters, that please, when you come to vote, please get a face mask. Number one. Number two, when you arrive at the polling station, try to have some space. There is social distancing, at least 1 meter in between. And also, please, before you come into the polling station, there is this official at the door or the police officer who would apply hand sanitizer. Please cooperate with the team, so that as a nation, we try to stem the spread and even, if possible, to eradicate COVID-19 in the Gambia. So as a Commission, we try to do that, making sure that people who come to vote, they arrive safe and they go back safe. And the team that we deploy, the polling officials also, they come to work at the polling station safely, and then they go back to their homes safely. So I think the Commission is taking measures to make sure that COVID-19 is put under control.
Democracy.
Democracy for you and me.
Democracy machine you draw le free.